Meet Origin's newest DST offering, Novel Nona, a 2023 lakefront Class A community in Orlando's Lake Nona, a master-planned growth hub with exceptional demand drivers. Greater Orlando pairs population and income growth with a diversifying employer base that extends well beyond leisure, most notably healthcare, education, and life sciences, supporting rental demand. Within Orlando, Lake Nona stands out for proximity to Medical City, UCF Colleges of Medicine and Nursing, VA Medical Center, Nemours Children's, and the $423 million Advent Health Campus opening 2026, adding high-income jobs steps from Novel Nona. Residents benefit from quick connectivity via the Central Florida Greenway and nearby Orlando International Airport, plus an integrated retail, dining, and recreation network that underpins long-term neighborhood desirability. At Novel Nona, on-site household incomes average approximately $146,000, and renting remains roughly a 51% discount to owning in the immediate area, creating a deep renter pool and supporting occupancy and leasing. Lake Nona's planning controls, natural lake boundaries, and institutional ownership help moderate new supply at the immediate doorstep. Against its Class A peer set, Novel Nona's lakefront site, boutique scale, and amenity differentiation position it toward the top of the competitive range. Signature features include a rooftop sky lounge over Lake Whippoorwill, saltwater pool, fitness club and studio for yoga, bar, and spin, and cafe-style co-working with micro-offices. Residences offer premium finishes. Many include 10-foot ceilings and light-filled plans. Novel Nona is offered as a low-fee DST, with no selling commissions or broker fees and a simplified fee structure, so more of your capital goes into the real estate. Additionally, Origin's Income Plus Fund has the option to acquire DST interests through a 721 exchange, further deferring taxes and providing greater diversification for DST investors. For accredited investors and advisors seeking institutional quality lakefront multifamily in a premier growth hub, explore the Novel Nona DST with Origin.